President Museveni ashobora ngwihanga rikatandika kutunguka banyuma yo kwija kwenkore ya revival ari kushobora ngo amashomero amarwaro hamwe na project z'entunguuka ezindi nuwo zitandika kurebwaho umwihanga tuma bo mubembezi w'ihanga ha mukorogu bwashoma Honorable David Bahati uruminista w'ihanga ahabwe by'amakoro.
Revival movement did not stop only as spreading the word of God. The revival became an instrument of civilization in our region. Out of the churches came schools, hospitals, etc., which helped to further human development in our countries. Revival families were among the first to educate their children, who later became instrumental in social, economic, and political development of the region.
Mukorogu wabiriho Archbishop w'Ekanisa ya Uganda, His Grace Henry Luke Orombe yayorekangwa abembezi b'Ekanisa bashemere kujumirira kwende biragero ukwatsara hansi na heguru mu ihanga.
After 90 years of revival, God will do something new. After 90 years of revival, there will be a visitation. After 90 years of revival, this generation will see the goodness of the Lord. After 90 years of revival, you brethren will become the light of Uganda. Uganda is dark. Uganda is cruel. Uganda is morally bankrupt. Why? Because the church is lukewarm. The church is sick.
Muringo nugogumwe uri Archbishop w'Ekanisa ya Uganda, the Most Reverend Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugaru yayanangiriza abakristayo kwetantaretse bi Ahabw'Entunguuka y'ihanga.
Talking about history. History is so key. The past can really teach us something. Where there was victory, we are encouraged by those who went through it in history. Those who were challenged, we can learn from them.
Bamwe abaganyira umbohereza wa revival movement bahereza ubujurizi bwabo nko kubaganyira mu college.
What should I tell you?
That bagambire kiragambire Sayuni.
And he told me, tell you what he told me in the
Bagambire kiragambira mushazi wa Sayuni.
I will tell them what I told you at Mount Zion.
Kabanyera likirire.
I was worried.
Kabanyera likirire.
I was worried then.
Ansekesha.
But the answer came.
Nyechakare nelizoba.
Unakugaika na kiko Ekanisa.
And the time came that I also started being on parish meetings.
Ekanisa yandonda kuchiko rw'obulisa.
The church chose me on one of the parish council.
Kutwatundira obuleberezi bw'ekibwa kigezi. Okubanza ttaka mutundire.
Before we go to that
kigeze kabeerererwa nkole.
Uruterano uru nurubaho bwa nyuma ya buri myaka 10 kandi ab'umwaka ogu rwejumbiremo abantu abarengera mu 15 bakora hagagasha kwa Job na Manyapuri awatayari Westo muri Kabale.